Welcome to the in front of me INFINIX Hot 11s, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings, and after that tap on the Wi-Fi section. After that click here to the switcher to activate Wi-Fi, and after that you'll see it here the list with all of the available networks. For example, let's select this network. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, just click here on this eye icon. For example, to handle some mistakes, I'll just enter the password out of screen. And after that, just tap here to connect to this network. Wait a second, and now we can see that our device successfully connected. If you want to select more on just networks, just enter the password and to connect. That's okay. You can find all of them here then in here saved networks section. I don't know why it's just maybe one more time. Let's go here. Yeah, so you will see here the list with the saved networks. After that you can switch between them if you want. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, just click here again on the Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first open notification panel. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on this icon. To launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it and just select the one from these networks. Then just enter the password and tap to connect. And now just to turn off the Wi-Fi, click here once again on this Wi-Fi icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.